Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Yeah, what's up? So we are today in Cartagena. Not this in Colombia, but this one is for Spain. They are two famous Cartagena. This one is like a kind of smaller city, smaller than Alicante, smaller than Malaga, but it's also not that very small. Few nice things to see. Of course, there is Marina, Puerto.
Yes, yes. And the thing is that we just want to explore the cities in Spain that's closer by the Mediterranean Sea, you know, the port.
That's the thing.
One thing that is a touristy city that we visit also
Non-tourist.
touristy one.
Today we actually Cartagena is not that very tourist like Alicante or Benito, but also we want to see some smaller little towns like perhaps Puerto de Mazarrón. We're gonna go there and drive maybe through some mountains, like countryside, maybe some mandarinas and lemones and stuff like this. So we will see, just like hang out a little bit. Today is our last full day in Spain. Unfortunately, you will miss it, right?
Yes. And now it's about a 18 until 20 degrees, so nice weather, sunny, warm actually. So this is
Pretty enjoyable. With the last stroll.
If you are a history person who likes to learn about history, you should go here. And this one is the history of the Cartagos and Cartagenas around the world.
Actually, there are quite many of them. Take your hands, Saya.
Yes.
There are actually quite many of
Cartagena,
them.
Colombia,
We are here in the Spain.
Honduras, even in Honduras. It's simply a name of the cargo.
Actually, there is even Cartagena in the Philippines.
In Chile.
I didn't even realize.
Yes.
But in South America, of course, there was. And North America as well.
In California.
Cool. You see, you learn something new all the time, huh? Alright. There is some construction sound. Sorry about that, but that's good. They prepare for the summer season. So the palm trees and everything, of course. There is a little bit of the marina in the distance, actually over there. I don't know if you can see. There's some, I think the Navy ship, if I'm not mistaken. And generally the marina here. Some restaurants, Burger King and stuff. Of course the palm trees. There's Ferry wheel.
So the thing about here, I really like the vibe, the Latino songs, and even behind me it's like catamaran, they cruise ship. They still pretend it, but they are, enjoying the Latino.
That's the thing. That's the thing. There's some Ferris wheel. There's like a construction of the yacht there, or the fixation or the construction. Actually, I'm not sure. There is another yacht. They're actually fancy yachts, 1 and 2. There's little Ferris wheel, some nice building, and the center of Cartagena. There we also gonna go there, of course. And actually, it would be nice to have a cortado.
Let's see.
What's that? What?
I don't know, whenever I see the statue here in Spain, my eyes is just like on bakwasan.
So yeah,
That's lady's eyes, okay?
that's me actually when I'm overthinking my life. Let's
Oh,
go.
look at the beautiful sun.
So this is it.
And here we go, we will go there to explore actually the old town somewhere here.
This is actually Teatro Romano or something, no?
Yes, Teatro Romano. So yeah, let's go there.
Let's have a look. So Puerto is there, and we are actually going to the old town. So this is like a smaller town, and it's like so laid back, slow vibe, isn't it? Not always big city needs to be. However,
Oh, look at
the name.
architecture is just like many historical architecture mixed with the I think modern, something like that.
But modern is only this restaurant behind this one. After that is pretty old. Everything. Some private tours, some souvenir shops, of course. And this one is actually also pretty beautiful. Hold on, I changed it. Oh, like this one. That's how you're supposed to film it. Alright, let's go. Some restaurant. We're going to Teatro Romano. Huh? You really want to see this?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. So you have a main street, walking street here. Let's have a look. Just let's stroll a little bit around.
And look at the tiles here, Regis.
Yeah,
Nice.
everywhere is nice. Everything,
Clean.
each city have a different and always is clean and nice. That's actually true.
See, like a mixed building between the old architecture.
Yeah, and feels like walking in the floor in the kitchen or bathroom, no?
Is this like a terrazzo or something like terrazzo? Is this like what sort of the tile is it? I forgot the name.
I don't know.
I'm on holiday, so I really just want to enjoy whatever I see. Maybe sometimes I say something wrong. Just forgive
Forgive us. Yeah, we are coming from the cold Poland. You have to forgive us. Our brain just defrosting.
My brain is melted, you know, with the sun, sea, and then warm weather.
That's the thing. That's the thing.
It's like Roman style building, no?
Nota. So we just walking and walking, sayang, and I just realized quite a lot of people on this little town, in this little town, on this little street. Kinda interesting. Yeah. So little square, some nice buildings, architecture. Here we go. This one is modern, this one is old. Some religious house here. Don't know why actually, but many people coming here and making pictures. We are not really into historian YouTubers like Robert Makłowicz, right? But Robert will come here. Robert Makłowicz, not our Robert friend, if you're watching it. He will come and talk about this painting like a half hour. But we are just okay, it's nice, and let's go next, right? If you want, you can always. Sayang, the cortada? Later? Później? Dobra. So it's pretty enjoyable to stroll around the cities like this one, isn't it?
Yeah, and I think also here in this area is the central business district, as you see. There are many hotels, there are many banks, and
Yeah, I think
all
also,
the business district.
yeah, like a main street in Cartagena, but I also think like quite a lot of just simply locals enjoying doing their regular day, like working in the main street in the city. We get into one of the streets here, main street, but not main street. Main street, but not main. And it's like quite a lot of people here, like really quite a lot for like a small town and this time of the year. Not bad. So many places to have a nice cortado, that's for sure. Just in case if you are new on this channel and you're thinking, why this guy always talking about the cortados? It's like, I'm drinking 3-4 espressos or macchiatos or cortados, depends where I am a day. So, and I like good coffee, like a good coffee. So, this coffee coffee in Spain is pretty good. So, yeah. And also one thing about the Spain is nice. Spain, Italy, Portugal, those kind of countries. There's a lot of people just enjoying their time outdoors, having just simply coffee. That's the coffee bars cultures, generally speaking. You know what I mean? So this is what actually it's pretty nice, isn't it? Oh, that's the modern city already there. And there are like a kind of bridge, aqueduct, whatever. So the weather today like this. And there is sun, but it's a little bit cloudy, but it's around 20 degrees right now. And generally heading to the Teatro Romano. This is what I remember is here, and also it's pretty nice. So many interesting stuff. Oh, that's the big Hamon sayang there. Check this out. Now we entered one street leading to the Teatro Romano, and check this out. Definitely quieter already. Some church, of course. That's how does it look like.
Right, so now we are in the Teatro Romano. This one is actually now is the other reconstruction. I think that they are preparing for the summer for the tourists, but they just simply, this is the historical things about this area.
Yeah, you have actually history on the walls, and also that's how big area is itself. But from here I can only show you a little bit, as there is the restoration ongoing, like this one. So generally speaking, that's how does it look like. The whole area here is the site with the construction, but also the ruins of the theatre, like this one. All right, you see? Saying, yeah, looks so funny here, like at the wall facing your level of ice. Let's go have a coffee.
Cortado Club.
Let's go. Yeah, let's show you what they found.
What is it happening? So the remains of the theater cover an area of 5,000. So until now, they still doing it.
That's the thing. Oh, and that's the Santa Mora.
So after we stroll around, as usual, I feel hungry and I wanna eat something sweet with my cortado. So we order dos cortados with churros.
That's the thing with the nice view, by the way, like this one.
This
Try, sir. Try. So good?
Dolce Vita.
Looks good.
Sweet guys, no?
So interesting fact is that as if it's smaller city like Cartagena, it's not Malaga or it's not Alicante. So our coffee here was only cortado 160 euro. And on the gas station once we pay 120 aja only. Actually aja is Indonesian only, you know, I just mixing the too many languages on my head already. So 120, the cheapest was 120 on the gas station, 120 in Valencia in the market. But this one 160 facing like this one, literally in the city center,
In the old town.
is the also bargain. The most expensive was actually in Alicante by the beach, but maybe that's the beach in Alicante. And in Malaga was 2 euro, I think, or 220. So it was like a moderate, I could say. So, you know, you have to travel around.
Well, it's not about, you know, the price of the coffee.
No, it's just the
it's not about that. It's the most important thing is that you need to travel, you know, sometimes like deep inside the city, you know, not only focus on the tourist places, but where the local goes sometimes, the cities where the more locally vibe or something. So even like for me, I'm the first timer here, to be honest, and then I have no idea how it is Spain and what's the city, but Damian read a lot.
No, I was many times in Spain when I was a young kid actually. First time I was here when I was 11 or 12 years old. But my brother used to live 18 years here and have a friends here, and generally I've been few times. However, we just generally speaking like a traveler, so we never stay like stay in 1 week in the hotel and that's it. Once only we did in Albania, but actually we also travel and we get bored after 2 days. So we have to moving around and we also like to discover many interesting stuff.
Yes, and we just realized that we are not all inclusive resort, or like a resort hopper or something. We are just more into stay one place as a base and then go around. So
Yeah.
let's go to different spots.
Okay, let's go to different spot. And also, actually, now we are staying in the, like 4 nights in the one hotel, just simply because we don't wanna stay in every night in different hotel. But we used to do like that actually quite many times. But sometimes actually better to stay one place and move around. But generally speaking, move around. Don't stay just by the beach, and that's it. I mean, some people like it, but it's not our style. Ooh, why so bright? Oh. Right, so we're supposed to go actually to different location, and suddenly we landed on the boat.
This is me. Okay, I can change my mind in 5 minutes, but I never change my mind to marry Damian and love him until now.
Oh, it's okay. I'm changing the travel trips all the time, changing the eating trips. Okay, I don't really like boats, but I will make it for you.
I miss the boat vibe, Kohanya. Really, 2 years living in Poland on the flat.
Yeah. But interesting thing, the boat 45 minutes from the Cartagena center, only €8. I don't know where we're gonna go, but for this money, whatever. As long as we're on the boat. Okay, let's go. So the vibes begin. You don't need to make much to make my wife happy. Just boats, oranges, lemons, and the sun. Nice vibe.
Sol y arena, oh so bright, baila conmigo toda la night. El ritmo suena, can you feel? Move your body, it's so real. Vuélvete loco, don't stop now. Sigue el ritmo, I'll show you how. Fuego en el aire, burning high, feel the heat bajo el sky. Baila, baila, sin parar. Shake your body, shine like stars. Baila, baila, en el mar. Keep it going, no queda igual.
Right, so it's like 1 hour there in the catamaran. It's so cool, and then enjoying dancing, and then I was just like feeling freezing in the middle of the ocean, but still
Sea.
the sea. But sorry, I keep saying the ocean because I used to live in Indian Ocean, so I really miss the the boat vibe, and this is nice.
This couple still dancing there.
And it's just simply €8, and you can enjoy the vibe.
We actually cruise around,
Yeah.
so it's actually pretty nice.
Oh my god. Kohanya, where are we going?
We are going to see something. This is very small city, very small, very local vibe. Actually,
I can see it. Even the architecture building
Yeah.
is now totally different.
yeah, this is like, feels like driving somewhere in the South America probably. Never been in South America, but if I go to South America, it will be somehow like this.
Okay. Interesting. Trip with you is always surprise.
Always surprise and always something different, right?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Kohanya, where are you gonna taking me now?
So this is like driving in South America somewhere, like in Colombia or somewhere, I don't know, Venezuela.
I don't know. Look at the architecture. It's totally different.
Yeah, just took you to the countryside,
The countryside of the Murcia.
and that's not even Murcia. This is
No?
like on the way to the Puerto de Mazarrón.
Puerto de Mazarrón.
But this is the small city. I don't know.
Okay.
You know.
It's interesting, right?
Yeah, just to see something different, not only the tourist spot. Like, most of people going to Spain, they see Barcelona city center, stay there for a few days, or go to Mallorca, and that's it. But you have to see everything. We are the monkey side, and as we're showing everything, not only tourist spots. So this is the small town, Now we're
You
going
see the
to
map, Cartagena.
we're
Murcia.
going to direction of Las Palmas.
Okay. Now we drive.
Now we
Through the
finally
mountains?
drive through the mountains, so we can feel this rental car power 1.2 liter petrol Opel Astra on a small road. This is the through the mountains little road. So can enjoy a little bit of the driving. But it will be nice view when we go down actually, you know.
Okay. So now we are going down. Flying through the mountains.
Yeah, through the mountain. You see the ocean, the sea at the front?
Yes.
That's the sea actually. We are going to the small town Puerto de Mazarrón. Just a tourist city but not so popular.
Okay.
With the nice beach and stuff. So one of our favorite two brands, Mercadona for you and the Repsol gas station like this one. By the way, that's the price is 152 for the 95 gasoline, which is petrol or gas. And what is the best petrol Repsol station in Spain? Because with the sea view directly, sayang. Like Orland with the sea view, sayang. Let's go, so cool. And this is what I'm talking about. You fill your gas and then you have this one, the view with the sea, basically. Weather today is not so good. Or perhaps you can wash your car here with the view of the sea. Roundabout and the sea. So, not many places like this one. It's just small thing. Okay. Sayang.
Let's go, Kahani. So
After driving in the mountains, what you didn't feel well, finally we drive next to the sea again. Which is good.
yeah.
So this is like a small town, Puerto de Mazarrón. It's tourist city, but it's small one, like you know, not like a big Alicante, Malaga, or Marbella. This one is just small, but pretty enjoyable vibe. You have a promenade directly to the water.
Yes, exactly. Nice. And I think that the specific color of the Spain is just like this, yeah, terracotta color, like Kahani.
Mm-hmm.
Orange is yeah, sun color. And here simply quiet still in Mazarrón. Kohane each each beach daily o'clock. Coffee and cake time.
Yeah, feels like Sanur.
Sanur vibe now with the palm trees and coffee and cake. And look at this palm tree, sun, and the beach. Right, Kohani?
That's the thing.
The difference is that I just only wearing jacket. The wind, fresh wind. Cheers.
Cheers, sayang.
Nice. And the sun, very sunny and warm weather.
So we have a coffee in the small town. I think this is the hotel behind you, sayang.
And then I guess that's also catamaran there and boat or something like that.
No, that's the kind of beach. But it's what is very interesting here is that as these people, I think they are Dutch or British, UK, British, they brought the camper van and on the trailer, they carry the trailer and they bring the Fiat 500 to drive around. This kind of travels. I don't know if I would like to do it actually like this.
Camper van? Yeah.
Kind of not my I never had a vibe like this one. But
Some people do.
yeah, some people do. Let's see the beach over here actually. So little bit of the big city's life and small city life.
Small city and
This is like a
one
village kind
village.
of. No, city actually. City, village, whatever. Small. But they
Enjoyable.
have a public toilet, say. And the thingy to wash your feet. And the palm trees and the water. What else you need actually? And the sun.
Kohani, Have you ever listened about the music Despacito?
Of course.
And look at this, which is the coastal side. And
Yeah, the
one of
coastal
building
side.
is just really like the scene of the South American or something like that, no?
Kind of like this one. Actually, if you're thinking about this one, could be filmed here lah.
And that's the small island also there.
Yeah. That's the vibe lah. Sayang, co robisz?
Check the water.
And how is it? Cold, of course cold, sayang.
Let's go.
Let's go. Some nice view actually. Sayang enjoying. Here we go. Sitting. There's actually another coast like this one.
Kohanye,
Yes.
seems like, you know, even there are many rubbish, but not much many plastic rubbish. So this
No.
is just like from the ocean grass.
The
no?
seagrass, like a sea rubbish, not the
Plastic.
not the plastic rubbish. But feels little bit like during the pandemic in Sanur or Candidasala in Bali.
Not many people, but enjoyable.
But enjoyable, no?
That's the island.
So we're going to the other side. Actually, there's the beach again. There are some houses.
Look behind the island.
Yeah, I know. It looks like most of those places are actually only open for the season. I mean, most of those houses are owned by the local and foreigners who coming only during the season for the holiday. As I have a vibe. Vibing all the time. So tamash. Alright. So that's the little village local vibe. The street is literally finishing here. That was some hotel. I don't know if it's open probably. No, it doesn't look like. The water.
So we decided to drive around. View.
Actually nice promenade on the road next to the nice palm trees, cactus, bicycle lane to promenade and the water. Actually kinda nice.
So quiet.
Very
and
quiet, very
enjoyable
quiet.
to drive. This style of filming is just like the style of filming when you are in I don't know
When we
Kahanya.
in Bali, I used to do like
No,
that
no.
quite a lot.
Yes, true.
Old times,
Yeah, it's nice.
but nice. So let's pull over here and let's have a look. Well, definitely no problems with the parking. So many parking everywhere. Actually nice here, Sayang. Like, you know, something different, something very, very, very quiet. But they make a nice renovated actually promenade, I gonna tell you. Looks nice.
Yes, and the thing is that it's really enjoyable.
It's just enjoyable. So very enjoyable. Just doing nothing, literally for at least once in a while. Feels little bit weird doing nothing. You know, people who work so much.
Hey, don't feel guilty when you just chill.
Yeah, don't feel guilty when you are chilling.
Enjoy.
But nice place to enjoy. Love. But the weather is pretty nice for the January, I have to say.
22 degree Kahanya. So yeah, we are driving around. My God, it's so pretty.
Yeah, very nice. Actually, the
The palm.
small city is called Las Palmas. Nice road actually, and they are nice area actually here. Like some expats actually living here. here, and they having like apartments and the houses, and also many people with the caravans, as you see actually. Palm trees. Everywhere you go is the scenic road with the water.
Like this.
So the thing is like the stop, drive, drive, stop, stop and drive. So many nice stuff. Here is like a nice viewpoint, technically. It's cool. Oh, so just don't jump. Oh, nice. See? Sunset gonna be in 2 hours. Water. And the never-ending the scenic. That's cool. Oh, the waves are nice here actually, Sam.
Yes, beautiful.
Mm-hmm. We're going into that direction all the time.
Right. Driving vlog again. But just because of, I don't know, I really like this vibe.
It's nice vibe, little bit dry with the nice houses and villas, palm trees and water. Like this one is kinda like tropical, but also like Californian vibe, I could say, like this one.
Oh my god, people are on the beach, already swimming on the beach.
No.
It's cold.
And check this
Yes.
out, the road is also pretty nice. But the thermometer showing 22 degree actually in
Yeah.
the car. Oh,
Nice.
some nice restaurant actually, also bar. Dry climate here. I believe during the summer just simply like everywhere else where will be busy. But nice. And how else you wanna show to the people? Because you have to drive.
Mountain.
Mountains, palm
Beach.
trees, beach, water, almost clear sky. It's simply nice and enjoyable.
Yeah. And the thing is that it's really enjoyable. Oh, if you have a camper van, look, they have a camping zone here.
Yeah,
Yeah.
camping's a very nice big one.
Yes.
It's like huge camping zone actually.
Oof, look at the water.
Pretty enjoyable, isn't it?
Yes. It's nice.
So we decided to have a little bit stroll around because come on, this is like this one straight footpath, palm trees, right? Like this one, and then basically you have a water and the nice views are everywhere. So let's have a look little bit around. This palm tree is nice actually. I don't know if it's naturally made like this one or suddenly they modified like this one, but this looks good. Oh, we are already like here for a few days. Okay, we're talking about the last few days. Wherever we are, actually generally in Spain, wherever we are in the continental Spain, only older people, I could say, like this one. I mean, nobody like us or not even mention about the younger than us. I don't know. Everybody like where the guy is going. I don't know. Like it's kind of weird, little bit feeling. I start feeling weird little bit nowadays. Like wherever I go, I have a coffee only like
Senior people are surrounding us.
kind of interesting.
Like already retired. Maybe we just retired young. I don't know. We're not retired young, but we just like enjoying our long holiday to the place where retired people going.
Or maybe just the young people don't go holidays in January. I don't know.
I don't know.
Kinda weird. So nice walking generally. There are some nice houses, little houses, like a small houses, like I don't know, for the couple only. Maybe they are just only like for the holidays. But well, you have a house, cross the street, and basically you have a nice view, facing sunset, literally. The city is definitely officials take care of it because look at the amount of details, like this one, the clean promenade, everything is like nice generally here. It's just like low season is deadly quiet, and if there's somebody is here, they are kinda on retirement, enjoying their winter
In the camper van.
in the camper van. I know, I used to live in Asia, and in Asia everything is different. I forgot maybe how it is in Europe. Probably I just simply forgot how it is in Europe. But overall it's pretty nice. And these mountains in the background. Oh, here is nice beach actually, even because previously it was rocky. No, it's nice.
So we decided to have a buffet dinner for tonight. So here how does it look. I'm waiting for my fish over there. So you can make a fresh one, and it's also already cooked. That's the fresh that you can cook it there, and that this one is already cooked. So this is how the buffet looks like.
Sayang, it's how much?
Clams, squid, fish, seafood paradise.
Seafood paradise for you. Enjoy, Sayang.
Much mango.
Yeah. Nice. Right, that was our brunch, lunch, dinner actually at the same time in the Chinese restaurant, Chinese buffet. Chinese buffets are pretty popular here in Spain. We saw it in many cities actually.
Right, so total cost that we pay to a buffet with the 2 coke cost us about 36 euros.
36 euros. So the
It means
buffet
like-
itself around 15 euros. So I think it's pretty good value for money. You can have so many nice food, fresh, Chinese, cook your meat, whatever you like, seafood. So that's cool, I think. For Euro price, I think it's pretty decent.
So that's all our video today from
Cartagena. We have
Cartagena.
still 2 hours drive, actually 180 kilometers to the Benidorm, and tomorrow at 3:30 p.m. having a flight. So tomorrow will be video about the hotel and journey and some other interesting things. But for now, thanks so much for watching from Cartagena, from Spain. Like it, right?
see you next time.
See you next time, bye.
Bye.